me, Sevita, back, and this is after I eat my lunch. Sometimes when it's hot, and I will just come here on the terrace and give birds some food or water. That's what I'm doing here. I'm just filling the bucket with some water. So here I am at the bird spot. I'm just gonna pour water in it. Sometimes the birds could bath in this because my father said me that once he saw that. So as you can see, there's some water in that. Let's go and fill more. So here's the second pot. I'm gonna fill it a lot. Oh, that's heavy. Guess the birds could enjoy that. Now it's time for plants. So here is the first plant, aloe vera plants. Now the second plant is also of aloe vera. Actually, I thought to pour a bucket, but sometimes plants could die if we pour lots of. And I'm gonna pour more water to this grass water. So I need to take those two water too. I forgot all about them. Guys, I really love gardening because you can see all the flowers and breathe some fresh oxygen. So first here is the rose and the flower. I don't know what this flower is called, but I'm pouring some water in it. And there are two more flowers. There are lots of flowers in this big bucket. I actually could see that this plant is my favorite. We could just eat it. I'm just gonna eat one of them. I really like this. Sometimes my father will call them as Krishna's plant. Is that real? Comment down below, is that real? I think this is Tulasi, an Ayurvedic plant of Krishna's. We could eat this and have cold, fever or cough. How to pour, but I'm gonna pour it like this. We need a lot of water for this because it's so big. So, not like that, I'm just gonna pour like this because leaf could also get some water. Yeah, I forgot to tell the most important part. This is the Timra Hills, which I used to go there a lot of times. As you can see the God and all the hills. It's like God's. My father told that hill is like God's face of the God. As you could see, that's good. And over there are some recipes out there. So I used to have a lot of fun on my terrace, and as you can see, there's a big crane which is lifting some rocks and building a hostel for the bat. What bat? Somebody wrote something. Actually, you could see the birds are coming slowly